My voice is pretty much shot, so I'm not gonna do too much talking in this video. But yet again, I got some new shop space and I'm gonna be building a miter saw table in here. But the thing is, I don't have a lot of time or budget, so it's gonna be affordable, it's gonna be fast, and I don't really have a plan, so I'm gonna wing it a little bit, but should come out all right. I'm Ethan James with thehonestcarpenter.com. Let's get to it. Two quick problems here. The floor is not level, it's sloped. Most concrete floors are. So I'm probably gonna have to build level off the wall. Second problem, my miter saw is huge and most of that size is extension out the back, which doesn't make for a very good table. But you gotta work with the tools that you have. So gonna do the best I can. that's pretty much a wrap on the miter saw table. It took about maybe 6 hours, give or take, minus going to pick up materials. Let me give you a little closer look at how it wound up though. So we got the really deep work table surface, 32 inches deep. I'm gonna have storage at the back as well. It's probably gonna come out a good 8 inches in some places. Overhead cabinets that I'll access by step stool, and then a slightly recessed bottom shelf. This is gonna be for tools and whatnot. We can still fit all the garage storage stuff underneath. That's a lot of square footage under and over shelf space. And you can still get in and stand really close to this because I recessed this shelf a good bit. And then of course you got the miter saw table. You can have dust collection underneath. Dust hose coming up through our little port here. Will attach to the back of the miter saw. And the miter saw, as I said, is so massive. When the thing is swung out to 0 degrees and fully extended, it needs to come all the way forward. Like this. Look, there's just enough clearance back there. And we're all the way out at the front. I'm gonna put some stop blocks out here. So when it's not in use, I'll basically fold it up and just slide it back out of the way. Won't get in the way of anybody walking by. And there's a bunch of other things I'm gonna do in here. This is just the beginning of this new shop space. So be sure to check back in the weeks ahead as the shop takes form. I'm gonna chop that in with my normal videos, but I'm looking forward to working in here and having knocked out one of the biggest, most crucial parts, which is getting the miter saw set up and getting a lot of storage taken care of. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit like and subscribe, and check back in for our new one soon. I'm Ethan James with theHonestCarpenter.com. See you next time.